Hello. Thank you for being here with me today. My name is Marcia, and I wanted to thank you and welcome you here to my channel. Let's practice our fancy hand lettering. So I wanted to just introduce myself because I know some of my audience may be deaf, and I learned sign language from my uncle years ago. And I learned English Sign Language, and I know that American Sign Language is what is mostly spoken today, but I'm still having to learn. And it's not easy to change when you've been using that for so many years. So, anyway, but let's get on with the show. Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. I hope you're having a great day. So today is our calligraphy practice, and we're working on our brush strokes. And actually, what's the name of these brush strokes? So we're going to turn to the page right here, and this is in the Mindful Lettering by Lisa Funk. I've talked to you about that before, and I use the tracing paper. So here's the practicing of the underturned stroke, and then I've been practicing the oval stroke, so that's easy to remember: oval stroke, underturned stroke. Okay, so then I'm going to show you the two different looks that you will get when you use the brush marker or if you use the chiseled zig calligraphy markers. Very easy, simple, and let's get right into it. So here's the calligraphy set. I showed you that the other day, and here's the Stampin' Write set. And we always need a piece of washi. So get a piece of that out of the drawer. And the zig markers, calligraphy markers, I do have an affiliate link from Amazon below. But the Stampin' Write from Stampin' Up, I don't have any. So if you just get with a demonstrator in your area, if you go to their website or type in your area, you can get a demonstrator right in your area. And I always like to support somebody local to me. And generally, you know, I mean, I've just, you know, help out somebody, you know. So anyway, so let's go. I'm going to use a pink melon mambo. So hi, I'm Marcia. And if you love calligraphy, if you want to learn how to have fancy hand lettering for your pen pals, your happy mail, your journaling, your scrapbooking, then this is the place for you. So I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. Mondays are always talking about using up our scraps. Tuesday is our Embellishment Kit Club items and how to use those. And my new 82 journal prompt list. So just using our journals will be on Wednesday and talking about the subscriber giveaway challenge. We're almost to 600 subscribers, and every 100 subscriber increment to the community, I do another giveaway. So that is my way of thanking you. And so your way of thanking me is being here and sharing, and I really appreciate that. And then Thursdays are always our calligraphy practice and anything else that I want to throw in there. So today we're going to talk about the Embellishment Kit Club again, and I am adding on a free gift for you. So all the goodies are in here, so stay tuned to find out what that is. So the next 10 orders will receive this free add-on gift from me. Okay, and then the embellishment kit is only there for the month. So September's kit, September 30th, it'll be out of the shop the next day. Next morning, I always take it out the next morning because you have it till midnight. All right, so got all that housekeeping out of the way. Now let's get right into our calligraphy practice, and then as soon as I'm done with this, I will show you what's the surprise gift, and you're gonna love it. So for the price that I'm doing it, I've been trying to keep between $5 and $10 for the kit. And so I've got it under $10 this month, so it's really wonderful. And if you're a newsletter subscriber, you have a coupon code that you can use in addition to that. So, I mean, it's just a great deal, a no-brainer. So let's just go ahead and practice the underturn stroke. I always want to say understroke. Underturn stroke, we'll do that one more time. And I'm going to give you show you with the brush first. So it's just the heavy pressure down, light pressure when you go up. And then the oval stroke, it's the same way. You want to put heavy pressure there, lift up, come around with the light pressure. And I'm going to show you the difference in the look when we use the Zig calligraphy marker. I like both of these markers. I like both of the looks. So it just depends on the look you're going for and which brushes you like. So I don't know if I said this already, but the link for the Zig markers is in the description box below from my Amazon store, and I do make a tiny commission off of that. And that helps support my channel, as well as when you purchase in my Etsy shop, that also allows me to continue to bring you these free video trainings, which I hope you appreciate. And thank you so much. So we're going to use the wide tip of the marker for the downstroke, and we're going to turn it to the side for the light, thinner line to go up. So just watch and see what it looks like and how the difference is between these two techniques with the marker. Actually, I went up a little too high on that. And now this is the thinner tip, same technique, but I'm going to come right underneath here. So this is just, like I said, anyone can be instant with fancy hand writing when you use this Zig calligraphy marker. I hope you'll pick up a set of these from my link below. Didn't get that cap back on very good. All right, so that, I think, is something that is just so much fun. Let me bring it up. Make sure you're seeing this so you can see the difference very clearly. You see it's more of a very straight line. This still has the brush stroke line, but you can definitely see the difference between the two brushes, the two types of markers. So that's our underturn stroke and our oval stroke. Very quick and easy, doesn't take a lot of time. Now let's get right in. I'm so excited. I want to share this with you. Can you tell I'm so excited? Okay, now, yesterday I shared the whole kit with you, but I'm going to show you again, and I will share with you the add-on freebie. Okay, so this is the kit, and it comes with a fancy writing pen, ballpoint pen. You turn it, that's how you open it. They all have these cute little beads and a little charm on it. Really, really cute. Perfect for pen pals, journaling, happy mail, writing in your scrapbook, just writing a note, whatever you want to do, just writing in general, just to inspire you if you're a writer maybe. Anything like that. The grocery list, whatever you want to write. You get the idea. Just use a fancy pen. It's more exciting that way. So this is the kit itself. So this is what comes with the embellishment kit. And this is the freebie that you're going to get from me for buying the kit. All right, so I've made, this is all a flat kit. There's no three-dimensional embellishments in this kit. These can be used for a postcard, a journal card, making a mini journal out of this, sewing it down the side. I shared that with you yesterday, and I've printed it on matte photo paper, so it gives it a very nice texture. This one here, and then this one here. Okay, and then there's 3 recipe pages, watercolor pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, all tea-dyed, and then 2 9x12 kids art pages. So this is the kit, and it's for 1 signature. It's enough for you to make 1 signature. And pockets in the, decorate the signature up. Okay, so this is the kit itself. And then here's the freebie, the add-on. So you're going to be receiving 3 vintage pieces of fabric of random size that I've cut. This one is not vintage. This is a new piece that I just cut out, but these are both vintage here. And this beautiful yellow taffeta. So wrinkles, there's no extra for wrinkles. That's why it's a free kit. No, I'm kidding. And then this bag, this nice bag. This is an instant pocket for any journal. You can cover this. You can leave it as is, put a napkin over it, gesso it, whatever you want to do to it. Okay, so the bag, all of in the whole kit, the freebie and the whole kit fits into this bag, so I love this. All right, so now, here's the original artwork I've made into cute little stamp size. And then cute little pocket size for putting a pocket on a page. So the fox, all original artwork, bluebird, the horse, the beautiful beach, lake, ocean, wherever you want to be, the bicycle and the birds, and the family tree, and a little bit larger size, the fox again, the horse, the butterfly and the birds. This was in the July kit, and the family tree. Okay, so all of this fits into the bag, and this is my free gift to you. And then I pick out the pen. I told you if you tell me what color pen you want and if it's available, otherwise I just pick out a random color. But see, it all fits in the bag. So this is what's going to come to you, the free add-on gift and the kit with whatever pen, and it's all under $10. So I hope that you will pick one up today and support my channel. Let me know that you're enjoying these embellishment kits, and I will continue to bring you such wonderful offers each and every month. So thank you for being here. Hit that subscribe button, hit the share button, and when we reach 600, you'll get to see the wonderful gift that I'm going to give this month. And I'm not going to reveal it until we hit 600. So thank you for being here. Stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.